Yesha ewo na yeti say go into politics. And know what the journey say. Wait me a pension mo kakra. Your reasons for say opesa we political way. Is it ambition be a person we answer something?
Politics ne dey ampa me who realm because for what me I know ne say politics no is to help the people.
Yes.
Ewa ye cry womb. But for Ghana politics no a game. That is to be okay in life.
Okay, in life. Okay.
And he said to be okay in life, they are not just say, acquire no say business a serious business.
So you are saying politics is a serious business?
It's a business.
Not to care for the people.
Not to care for the people.
I see.
Say you can't say politics is to care for the people there. And Yananka Salinko koso kujina MP go bin doubting no. Obehwe niema Salinko no aye. And it will be to me aye. Anka what the dombi ejano to the people's mind or omo any swadi hunene say okay. We are concert guys so stand aside. So as soon as you take a we amana MP there. Me ba manako because Ghana for be me ba no. I may be a coming in my busuya.
Oh.
Yes.
So that's where the business started.
They go to school
okay.
to become a burden onto the people. Not to come and help. Sanka also a servant. Servant always serve.
It's not me tie okasaimwa. Obi a wan school to me my politics.
Anka was in
Ghana.
Anka was our position na stance na in the parliament na. Anka it doesn't need any higher qualification.
Wow, is what you can
do. Because MPship there and as MP ne there. Wo there ne say wo ukro no ho adwempa.
Constituency na wo boa.
Na wo beboa. And two, say ube to me contribute or parliament. I'm here to me edemra ato there was emra yeden eda. There are many honorables or more parliamentary they don't talk since they had been there. What I say? Yeah. Money mamu ye dede. And hence they can't do anything for their constituency.
Wow.
And think out there you now won kasa wo hono. Say be a kasa be a Salinko beko akwa kantino. Ye manenko. Enti wo ko ye you now won kasa wo hono.
Salinko class up ye. O de ke ma o ye. Na ye wadwuma. Salinko sin kono opay. Nanati. Opay. Ye twa ye ho sima. Enkwaje nkrato ye ba. Still your parliament wo. It's still the journey. Yakoji enkrato aba afri na wat nasi ehwe jumedia. Jumedia din the journey. Many honorable Salinko and etwetwe enkomo. Papa, ya sign aba back. Ya mo parliament wotofa. Osi wodi enka wo no ye no kra no. Na obetimi aye adwuma na. Senke wo se omoma otimi ye adwuma.
Na senka wo fi se ye na Salinko kotna ho ajeso nko. Ene ye fo ni bi wo ho so mo ntumi nya adwuma. Enti Ghana for ehunu se ye mu bi no your potential aside
because what can say you better say we sini oko Nigeria a lot of actors now into politics. Yeah. I've seen more than 10 enti adena Ghana I say we sini just all your concert on they don't take you serious.
They don't take you serious. But okay. Also who say any dangerous.
Of course because we are newer mpacho wa worry. Mpacho owo emma.
Yeah, nyame adome.
You being a star wa worry. How do you channel energy and time for all those things?
Stop na me da say ekobani say a question na mu odupa be o say me answer. Ni nyina here. But as a man you need to fulfill certain responsibilities.
To be Bema.
To be a Bema.
Yes.
And the osum bia enkakra. Me yiri say so wa ha.
Ane.
Ko simachi say
ayi. Ko siwachi
ayi no. Bosom no. Me yiri. Unim tra.
Oya kratwefo.
Me yiri nya kratwefo. Kratwefo anka madwuma be dey.
Ke be say, Papa, atna wow.
Yesu adaroma aboa me bra.
Na uye nipa mu yi ye ka se media for entertainers ne sinifo de ma tugu mo so se enwa. Nti wakoye be ma ya wo san ye producer wo series wo TV so de ma no enwa no mobo ana de omo ba o mo tutuko.
Adwuma no wo target se wo be ye ma asem a uhu se wo kopa nso na wo nko.
Na chese ma no be bre wase.
Ma no be bre wase. Enye on shada so be bre wase. Be de wo ye ne na medi nkomo bi mi si wi ase ye spirit. Nti de wo ye bia no nipa na waba no on fa problem ne bai se wo ne ntwempna. Onso an fa problem na ekọ se wo de ne ekọ twempna. Nemum de be komo ntem no.
Ene be connect
na ye bond no na o draw back. Nti sinimu ma asem de enya de anka efe. What I say e ka adwuma no bi bet enye fe. Nti ni nyina se obesesen ho no wahu se de anema e wo kwam. What I say anema e wo kwam oba bi wo ho a opie net say ni grooming ni fie te say na chite say ono kra ne meme semu te say oba bi wa 7 previous oba ma wo fro ni we obi fro obi ji afro course wa e ba doso ohun de mecho enye bad luck kra na wo hu no wo so hu ho se sebe emwa nso de mchini zem no betwem na obi foforo ofre
se ne de eni nine de ya
ai mempe kra what I say nti enka me life ho for now. Yes, because me jinyamedi
omo won ansam kekana kuma would for your court and a sin for your court uji this okot o
say yes
oh
say nyame wo
okay
ana the goals around we are sense wo
okay
enti me gidi say wo
enti tuntum na fita
tuntum na fita
enti de na ope
it's better say me for one god
okay
than say me de me ho bebo other gods although they work
okay
omo ye adwuma
okay
but bible ne so omo ni nkwa na omo mama me bi
okay
adenti na woni nkwa bosom bi betima ba obi ho ban ama nanya obetima ba obi ho ban ama nanya ska obetima ma obi kura awo but at the end of it no na say ebi say de ono nso so obema wo akwa animu nso a uwu a uni nkwaje ewi ase ade ehia pa ne se uwu a obenya eternal life
ene uwu a obenya eternal life no yentwa ye ho enkwaje aboafo nkrato ye ba still the journey. Ogusu shit the journey. When your challenges be our industry no. Everyone my audience what be mo bokra obi a wo push it no. What face be?
My face bebre na mienu na mekan. Na sa mienu no omo ntimi survive da. Ba ko afrim. On free movie as we free movie system nim. Yes, so you pabo afrim nine. I helped him or a producer. But we pabo afrim nine.
Not one country the man.
Me de man yame. Was memra me bunko to dream panacho.
Answer.
And I'm panacho phones because me nipa the often nipa. I was so ye. But say mko to dream be pamacho na me stop 2 years until was stop on be 3 years because on na crazy nimu. What I say? On na crazy nimu the whole kumasi e boni din. We are sekwan wa obi am from so you have to tell. On survival was in him. Yes, onya sika fine there but onyina.
Wow.
Yes. Wa ma yon kwa ntwa nkwa wuntwa.
Do no ontwa.
Enti the aka de em say nipa bebre nim. If you see your the world is a spirit. That's why we go to sleep and our soul goes out. No akochinchina no pano asa abehim.
Yes.
Enti ubu yonko kwase a hweye. Kokose nyen nkwane anajo. It hurt me a lot, but I just stopped talking about it.
Okay.
But Uncle Drew.
On the journey, so you bet me jina mapacho.
Oh, ya pacho kura unim. Nkwasi ebu o mne say papa bi pacho, Mr. Perry. And I just went back, okay, minia. ya reconcile the out of me passion me muno magia to tini adwuma na won nto aso na wo beje say no. So let's continue. He told me say one year because he knew say when ya ade.
Oh.
What I say? Me media check.
Enti dear see me wo person be boa obibim.
And so far about unya so no.
Okay.
But my bad low ground.
It is obi bia or hwe bia or person otimi bobra no e bedru baby a wodui. Afutu be na de be mom.
And no na me kan the last one here.
Tomo fasa afutu. Okay.
What you say?
Okay.
Obi obren wants to be away tantamount to respect. Our home.
Really?
Tantamount.
Okay.
To respect.
To respect. Okay.
Just say there was a lane.
Was a lane.
And I dear Tosubium. And they say, yeah, my name will be a day.
Yeah. You have to content with Bibia will be appreciate it.
Some nabrum so bet yin kwasi abu free abrabo.
Okay.
So I'm when I'm will be a dear will be kwasi.
Will be kwasi. Say music industry. One panel favorite artist. Say your gospel, dance hall, high life, hip life.
Say cheese, take a picture. Zagadun, take a picture. Say cheese,
take a picture. Hey, take a Thank you so much. It's been amazing having you.
You're number one.
That was the Thank you so much for honoring our invitation. Nyami inshallah. Bansana obekono. The journey the Oba. We have to celebrate you. So on behalf of me, my team, and my sponsors, we say thank you so much.
What you cases? Mrs.
Mrs.
Corona na abu amio.
Hey.
Oh, Salinko, the journey. Thank you.
Oh, hey, our do, Papa. And then we have the surprise for you. Okay. So thank you so much. You know why? Because one year Jumapa, Nafabua, or my Ghana.
Abena Ghana. Oh, dear.
It's been amazing and great having you on the show. Maybe I will be the journey and I was reminiscing the episode when you at Japan. So Solis and any churching come more the journey. So do share matter there a diva strained and that mitty is ages dazzle. I feel you may make up a mineral touch. Me a metina jumadi mu a ditch yame a Abena Ghana. Asembako and a debia make a show. Missing Yami Woma, Ebe, and Jackie Asada and Koma, your sponsors. Thank you so much. The journey. Take this life, make you know the rush, make you know the fear, 'cause when